Hi everyone, my name is Omar Arap. I'm Executive Vice President at Veritran. I'm here with my colleague Daniel Fuentes, our Vice President of Digital Solutions. We are here to show you how quickly and easy we can to deploy an application across mobile devices using our enterprise low-code platform. Daniel, take it away.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to be showing you how we're going to create a digital wallet using our enterprise low-code platform. So I'd like to get started by asking, why should banks and merchants care about digital wallets? The answer is simple. Digital wallets can bring a great deal of value to banks and retailers. They come with a huge amount of actionable data that can be used to develop new products and services. Today, our low-code technology allows banks and retailers to develop these seamless and great experiences with a great time to market. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in and show live how we can build this digital wallet and have it deployed into our mobile device and make some changes in the process using our low-code platform. So let's go ahead and log in into our marketplace here. We'll use our credentials here in a second. We'll get started. Once in the marketplace, we have a lot of templates, application templates, feature templates, components, and services. We'll go ahead and filter by an application template because that's what we want to build today. We'll go ahead and get started by subscribing to this new wallet template. And we'll simply just dive right into our Veritran Studio, which is where all the magic happens. In here, we can build an application. We can change it, customize it, apply the look and feel, deploy it, and then repeat the whole process again. So let's go ahead and get started. While we can build a mobile application, we could also do a web application. We're going to go ahead and select the mobile application today. We can do one from scratch. If we don't see anything in the marketplace that we like to use, we can go ahead and get started from scratch, and all of that without having to write a single line of code. So we'll go ahead and build using a template. We'll select the one that we just subscribed to back on the marketplace. We'll go ahead and into the next step. We'll provide a name. We'll do Finovate. We can change all of this afterwards if we wanted to. Let's go ahead and just select any of the themes there just to get started. And just like that, we're now creating this application based on this template of a digital wallet, which at the end of the process, we can further customize this application, or we can simply go ahead and get to the deployment process to get it running on a mobile device. And we'll get to that in just a few seconds once the application is created live. So you can see it's already done. A lot of things happen on the back end here. It's going to show you the list of screens that were created. We're not going to worry about that for now. We'll go back to my list of applications. And as you can see, I now have my Finovate wallet in place. So I'll go ahead and generate and publish this application. And again, in the demo environment that you're seeing here today, we're going to be presented with a QR code that we're going to read on the mobile device, and we're going to get that application loaded on the device. In the case of production, we also generate the DLLs for all the digital stores, so meaning that we build this application once, and we're ready to run it on iOS, Android, and even Harmony OS, which is the operating system from Huawei. So once the QR code is generated, we'll switch to the mobile device here, and we'll show you how that looks like on the mobile device. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Veritran Go application, which is my testing application, and I'm ready to read that QR code. It's the real camera there. I'm just going to point it to the QR code, and I'm just going to go ahead and say, got it. All right, again, it's just loading the configuration and the application into my mobile device, and it's setting itself up for the first time use. Once we do that, now we're able to log in into this wallet and be able to see all the features that were deployed as part of that template without having to write a single line of code very quickly in front of your eyes. So let's go ahead and use my login here, gfuentes@veritran.com, and we'll just use the demo password 1 through 8 here. And log in. And just like that, I'm able to log in and have a fully functioning wallet that I can use to see my current transactions. Sorry, the cable seems to have my current transactions. I can block my card. I can delete it. I can scan and pay. And I show you that. I'm going to get an error because that's not a payment QR code. It's an application QR code. But as you can see, the functionality is real. So let's switch back to the computer here for a second. how about changing the complete look and feel of this wallet while maintaining the complete functionality? Let's show what that looks like very quickly here. We simply have to go back to the application here on my studio, go to the settings, and let's say I built this Fahrenheit theme while this application was deployed, so we built it after, we're ready to apply it. It's all been taken care of by the platform, all the checks to make sure it's gonna run fine. And all we have to do is generate and publish again. And once we do, now this time, I'm gonna get presented with that QR code again. But guess what? Since I already downloaded this application the first time, I no longer need to go back to the QR code or to the digital stores. Every future updates to my application simply gets taken care of by the platform because it's smart enough to realize that there was an update. And in fact, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna go back to the mobile device. Nothing has changed yet. So all I have to do is log out and log in again, or simply refresh my screen and look how the complete look and feel of this application is just gonna change and be downloaded with the new look and feel, which is that Fahrenheit theme. And we should be able to get the new look and feel along with all the functionality that was already there on the platform. All right, it should be loading here in a second. There you go. I'm gonna log back into the platform. At Veritran, I can use pretty much any email there and my password. And just like that, I should have the same functionality, the same wallet with all the features, but a complete new look and feel. So at Veritran, we're all about empowering businesses' digital-first game. We're innovation drivers, reaching millions of users, and processing billions of transactions annually. Omar?
Amazing, right? See you in our booth, number 3, to discuss our enterprise local platform and business solution can help your company. Thank you very much.